This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tacoma bed. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your truck is on a level surface and secured with wheel chocks. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical surprises. You'll need at least 2 strong helpers or a reliable lifting device for this task, as the bed is quite heavy. Next, we'll disconnect all the necessary components. Begin by unplugging the taillight wiring harnesses on both sides of the bed. Then, carefully detach the fuel filler neck, which is typically secured with a few small bolts or clamps. Don't forget to remove any ground wires or other electrical connections you find. Also, inspect for any aftermarket accessories, like bed lights or air compressors, and disconnect them. Now it's time to unbolt the bed from the truck's frame. You'll typically find 6 to 8 large bolts securing the bed. These are usually located along the bed rails and near the tailgate. A breaker bar or an impact wrench will be very helpful for loosening any stubborn bolts. Make sure to keep all the hardware organized, perhaps in labeled bags, to make reinstallation much smoother later on. Finally, with all connections severed and bolts removed, it's time to lift the bed. If you have helpers, coordinate carefully to lift the bed straight up and off the frame. For a safer and easier removal, consider using an engine hoist or a forklift. Double-check one last time that no wires or hoses are still connected. Once free, gently place the bed onto a stable, flat surface for any further work or storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.